Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make bullets horizontally in Word. Let's start. Go to the main menu and click Insert. Click on the table icon and select any table of desired dimension. Now click on the table and write whatever you want. For example, numbers, headings, and again select the table. Go to Home, menu bar, click on the bullets. It will show bullets like this. Now again, you have to remove the table. Go to the border and remove border. Click on No Borders. Now it will show like this in horizontal direction. You can write anything like this, bullet number 1, anything. Hope this will help you. Thank you.